Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Katashi and today we're gonna make festivals. To a bowl, we'll add 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, half teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then we're going to go ahead and give that a whisk. Now I'm adding 3 1/3 cups of champagne soda. I'm going to go ahead and then mix it with a spatula until well combined. After that, I'm going to use my hands to knead for about a couple minutes and then I'm going to set it to rest for about 10 minutes. Guys, always keep extra flour in case you'll need to add a little bit more flour if your dough is too sticky.